Video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table using Canva. Whether you're working on projects for work, school, or personal use, tables are a great way to organize information clearly and efficiently. Let's dive in and see how you can quickly add a table to any of your Canva designs. Start by opening Canva and either create a new design or open an existing project. Once you're in your design space, look at the left-hand sidebar. This is where Canva keeps all the elements you can use. Click on the Elements tab. Here, you'll find a wide range of features including shapes, graphics, charts, and of course tables, which we'll focus on today. In the search bar at the top, type table. Canva will filter the results to show only table-related elements. You'll notice that Canva offers several pre-made table designs, which makes it super easy to find one that fits the style and layout you're looking for. Browse through the options and select the one you like best. Click on it, then drag and drop it onto your canvas. You can place it anywhere you want, and resizing it is just as simple. Just click and drag the corners to fit your design. Now that your table is on the canvas, it's time to customize it. Click on any cell to start typing. Canva lets you input text, numbers, or other data directly into each cell, just like a mini spreadsheet. You can also adjust the table's colors, borders, and size to match the rest of your design. This ensures your table not only communicates information clearly, but also looks visually appealing. For extra polish, try experimenting with bold fonts, alternating row colors, or adding subtle shadows to make your table stand out. You can also combine your table with other Canva elements like icons or illustrations to make your design more dynamic and engaging. With these simple steps, you've successfully added and customized a table in Canva. This feature will help your projects look organized, professional, and visually appealing without taking too much time. Remember, the key to great design in Canva is to explore, experiment, and have fun while creating. Happy designing!